I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited that we are vlogging. It is a weekly vlog and I'm really happy. I love vlogging. I enjoy vlogging, period. Okay, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. By the way guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Elfin Hair Company, and baby, they were kind enough to send me a headband wig. It is 14 inches. This is how it looks. I have a meeting in about 15 minutes, so I'm quickly going to install this in about 3 minutes, and then we are going to attend a meeting, period. Okay, talk about convenience. Literally 3 minutes and I will be done.
Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind, 'cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall. Trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did.
And just like that, you guys, that was really easy to throw on this wig. So please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this wig. It is very affordable. I will put the price right here. If you don't feel like doing too much, just grab yourself a headband wig from Elfin Hair Company. So yeah guys, thank you so much to Elfin Hair Company for sponsoring this portion of the video. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this wig. Hey guys, so today I am meeting up with Lerato. She is an associate of mine. We used to go to varsity together, so we decided that we wanna meet for lunch. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm ready. I'm not showing you my outfit of the day, but my ride is almost here. I will show you guys later, so I'll see you guys when I get there.
Moon joins you and she brings you
in 600 meters. Turn right on Bird Street.
the best when it comes to lounge music, all the way through till 9, between 9 and midnight. Our Queen of Jazz, that's No Temper.
Guys, I'm still waiting for Lerato. I think I saw her parking, but I'm not sure, so I'm still waiting for her. Okay, let me introduce you. Please do. I'm sure I know. Please do. Hi guys. So you introduce yourself.
Hi guys, this is Lerato, well known as Lerato_Gang. Please follow me on Instagram and also please subscribe to my channel.
Period.
But actually,
You look
this is
so
so
gorgeous.
nice. I love your tripod.
You love it.
Nice time to introduce yourself.
Oh, okay. Like, you know how shy I am though.
This girl is so beautiful, guys. Like, this girl is so gorgeous. She's been this gorgeous since.
Hey guys, welcome to Lerato's channel. So like again, for those of you, can I get it for those of you who are new? Please go like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, my channel Kinky, Manaso. So yeah guys,
The above 30 gang subscribers.
oh, stop it.
I don't like it because it's not that effective. Yeah, it's not. I'm thinking of getting a mic straight. It's not that effective, especially the vlog that I did of welcoming baby Kitubes. Like people that were far and saying something, we couldn't hear them. I had to increase. It's like, I wish I was going like line to line, but I couldn't because Nikki MC again. Bang ambushi to the first barrier. Why not? Because the Kumaga cool MC.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skinny. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out of one thought, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out. Get me through all the layers of you. Get me through. In and out.
As I always tell people, like, how do you start this YouTube? You to mimi, guys, like mimi. You should tell me this going to talk too much. This is a platform. You can't talk this much. Is the bedsheet gone?
So guys, I'm back and I really enjoyed myself with Lerato. We had so much fun. We haven't seen each other in years, like literally years, so we're just catching up. At some point we're forgetting to vlog, but really I enjoyed I enjoyed myself, like period. She's a YouTuber as well. Do check her out. I will put her YouTube handle. Is it a YouTube handle? But I'll put it here. So just show support, you guys. She is a lovely person and you will enjoy her content as much as I enjoy hers. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm just going to remove this makeup, take a shower, okay, and chill. It's Sunday. The idols. See you guys tomorrow. Guys, my boyfriend wants McDonald's, so we are going to McDonald's.
What do you do, baby?
You can't even see. We're going to McDonald's for, yeah, I'll probably have a snack, I don't know.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Bien. Like bien. Oh, they upgraded it, baby. Look inside.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You said.
So guys, as you can see, my date with my babe got McDonald's. Alright, so I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the night. This McDonald's is actually so nice, like by Rivenpile. By Rivenpile, babe. Like I haven't been here and it's about 2 kilometers away from me, I guess. I think actually. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy the rest of the evening with my mans and I'll see you guys tomorrow. For real, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
My world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold